The smartest truck buyers in America are all starting to make the same decision, and it's quietly changing the entire truck market. For the first time in years, thousands of Americans who can afford a brand new truck are choosing not to buy one. Instead, they've completely changed how they shop for trucks, and it's saving them tens of thousands of dollars. So what changed? Why are so many buyers walking away from brand new trucks, even when they can afford them? And what do they know that many truck shoppers still haven't figured out? In this video, I'll show you why smart buyers are changing the way they shop, the strategy that's helping them avoid one of the biggest financial mistakes in today's truck market. And, near the end of this video, the specific trucks they're buying instead, and why those trucks continue to outperform newer pickups where it matters most. Once you understand what smart buyers have already figured out, you'll never look at buying a truck the same way again. A brand new truck has never offered more horsepower, more technology, more luxury, more features than most people will ever use. So why are so many buyers turning their backs on them? That's the question almost nobody is asking, and it's where this story really begins. Because the biggest change in today's truck market isn't happening inside dealerships, it's happening inside the minds of buyers. But before we get there, there's something even more surprising. Walk onto almost any dealership lot today, and you'll see rows of beautiful pickups. Some of them would have had waiting lists just a couple of years ago. Today, many of them are still waiting for buyers. At the same time, well-maintained used trucks are often attracting attention almost as soon as they hit the market. On the surface, that doesn't make much sense. Why would someone choose a truck that's 3, 4, or even 5 years old when they could drive home in something brand new? The answer isn't simply that new trucks cost more. If it were, this shift wouldn't be happening among buyers who can comfortably afford a new one. So if money isn't the whole story, what is? For years, most people bought trucks the same way. They walked into a dealership, found the newest model that fit their budget, looked at the monthly payment, and made a decision. Today, more experienced buyers are asking a completely different question. Not, how much does this truck cost today? But, how much is this truck going to cost me over the next 10 years? That one question changes everything, because once you stop looking at the purchase price alone, you begin noticing costs that never appear on the window sticker. Depreciation, financing, insurance, maintenance, repairs after the warranty expires. Suddenly, the cheapest truck to buy isn't always the least expensive truck to own, and that's exactly where patient buyers begin pulling ahead. If you're already looking at trucks, or you know someone who's planning to buy one soon, take a second to hit the like button. It helps AutoIntel US reach more truck owners, and it tells me to keep making videos that save people from expensive buying mistakes. But here's where this gets really interesting. Knowing that ownership costs matter still doesn't explain why some used trucks are in high demand, while others are almost impossible to sell. Because smart buyers aren't just buying used. They're following a strategy that immediately separates the good trucks from the expensive mistakes. And once you understand that strategy, you'll start looking at every truck on the market through a completely different lens. The biggest mistake most truck shoppers make is believing that smart buyers are simply looking for cheaper trucks. They're not. In fact, many of them willingly pay more for the right used truck. That sounds backwards until you understand they're actually buying. They're not buying a lower price. They're buying certainty. Think about it this way. Imagine you're looking at two trucks. One is brand new, the other is 4 years old. At first glance, the new truck feels like the safer choice. After all, it's never been driven. It comes with a factory warranty, and it has every new feature you could ask for. But experienced buyers don't stop there. They ask a different question. What will this truck look like after another 100,000 miles? Because that's where the real decision is made. And that's exactly where most buyers overlook the clues that matter most. Instead of chasing the newest model, smart buyers start with the truck's history. Not the badge, not the paint color, not the touchscreen. The history. Has it been maintained on schedule? Did it spend its life towing heavy loads every weekend? Or commuting on the highway? Was it owned by someone who kept every service record? Or someone who only visited a shop when something broke? Two trucks with the same mileage can have completely different futures. That's why experienced buyers often spend more time reviewing maintenance records than they do looking at the truck itself. Because once a truck proves it has been cared for, its value changes completely. And that's something a glossy showroom floor can never tell you. But maintenance history is only one piece of the puzzle. The second thing smart buyers look for is something the average shopper rarely considers. They don't chase the newest engine, they chase the most proven one. Every manufacturer introduces new technology. Sometimes it works brilliantly. Sometimes it takes years before the real-world weaknesses begin to appear. Smart buyers don't like being the first ones to find out. Instead, they look for powertrains that have already earned their reputation, engines that mechanics know, transmissions with years of real-world experience, platforms with parts that are easy to find, and repair shops that already know how to fix them. It's the same thinking many businesses use when evaluating vehicles. Rather than focusing only on purchase price, they look at total cost of ownership, including depreciation, maintenance, repairs, insurance, financing, and long-term reliability. That's why what looks like the older choice often becomes the smarter financial decision. If you've made it this far, you're exactly the kind of truck enthusiast AutoIntel US is built for. If you enjoy practical, research-backed truck content, consider subscribing. Most people only discover this channel after they've made an expensive mistake. I'd rather help you avoid one. But now comes the question you've been waiting for. If smart buyers aren't chasing the newest trucks, and they aren't simply buying the cheapest ones, what are they actually buying? The answer isn't one truck. It's a handful of models that keep showing up for the same reasons, and when you compare them with many brand new pickups, you'll quickly understand why so many buyers are making the switch. Now we get to the question you've been waiting for. What are smart buyers actually buying? The answer might surprise you, because they're not chasing the newest model, the biggest touchscreen, or the highest trim level. They're buying trucks with one thing in common. They've already proven themselves, and that's exactly why they continue to outperform many brand new pickups, where it matters most: long-term ownership. Let's start with America's best-selling truck. A well-maintained Ford F-150 that's just a few years old has become one of the smartest buys in today's market. Not because it's cheap, because someone else has already absorbed the biggest depreciation hit. The bugs have largely been identified. Independent shops know how to work on it. Replacement parts are everywhere, and buyers have years of real-world ownership data to learn from. Now compare that with a brand new truck. You're paying today's highest price, accepting the steepest depreciation, and you're often relying on technology that hasn't yet been tested over hundreds of thousands of miles. That's why experienced buyers aren't asking, "Is this truck brand new?" They're asking, "Has this truck already proven itself?" Real ownership costs are driven by far more than the purchase price. They include depreciation, financing, insurance, maintenance, and repairs. But the next truck proves this strategy even better. Take the Toyota Tundra, particularly the proven V8 generation. Many buyers willingly pay more for one, even when newer trucks with more features are sitting just a few spaces away. Why? Because they're buying predictability. They know exactly what they're getting. The reliability record is well established. Mechanics know the platform. Owners know what to expect. That kind of confidence is incredibly valuable when you're planning to keep a truck for the next 10 years. Meanwhile, a newer truck may offer more technology, but more technology also means more systems, more sensors, and potentially more expensive repairs once the warranty is gone. For buyers thinking long-term, predictability often wins over novelty. But here's where smart buyers really save money. Look at the Chevrolet Silverado. Not every Silverado. The right Silverado. That's an important difference. Smart buyers don't fall in love with a badge. They look for the right engine, a documented maintenance history, and signs that the truck has been cared for. Two Silverados can look almost identical. One becomes an expensive headache. The other delivers years of dependable service. That's why experienced buyers spend less time admiring chrome and more time reading service records. They're not shopping with emotion. They're shopping with evidence. And then there's the truck that quietly surprises almost everyone. The Nissan Frontier rarely gets the same attention as the bigger names. But that's exactly why many value-focused buyers love it. It doesn't have to be the flashiest truck on the lot. It simply has to do its job, year after year, without draining your wallet. Because while many shoppers are competing for the most popular trucks, the Frontier often delivers dependable ownership at a lower purchase price. Sometimes the smartest deal is the one everyone else overlooked. Used truck buyers often prioritize proven reliability, reasonable ownership costs, and established repair histories over the latest features. If you're enjoying this kind of research-driven content, make sure you subscribe to AutoIntel US. Every week, we break down what's really happening in the automotive market so you can make smarter buying decisions before you spend your money. But don't make one very common mistake. Knowing which trucks smart buyers are choosing doesn't guarantee you'll buy the right one. Because every day, buyers walk onto dealer lots, make the same avoidable mistakes, and turn a great truck into a bad purchase. And before you buy your next pickup, there are a few costly traps you absolutely need to avoid. Here's the biggest lesson in all of this. The smartest truck buyers aren't winning because they know some secret list of trucks. They're winning because they've changed the way they think. Most buyers still shop with one question in mind: what's the newest truck I can afford? Smart buyers ask something completely different. Which truck will still make financial sense 5, 7, or even 10 years from now? That single change in thinking affects every decision that follows. It changes the trucks they consider, it changes the questions they ask, and it changes the mistakes they avoid. The truth is, there's no such thing as the perfect truck. Even the models we talked about today can become expensive mistakes if they've been neglected, poorly maintained, or simply priced too high. That's why smart buyers don't fall in love with badges. They don't buy based on advertising, and they certainly don't assume that newer automatically means better. Instead, they slow down. They check the maintenance history. They research the powertrain. They compare long-term ownership costs, not just monthly payments. Because saving money on the day you buy a truck isn't nearly as important as saving money every year you own it. And that's the difference most buyers don't realize until it's too late. Now I'd like to hear from you. If you were buying a truck tomorrow, would you still buy brand new, or would you choose a proven used truck instead? And if you already own a truck that's been incredibly reliable, tell us the model and how many miles are on it. Your experience could help someone else make a smarter decision. I read the comments on every AutoIntel US video, and some of the best truck advice comes from owners who've actually lived with these vehicles for years. One final thought before you go. Today's video explained why smart buyers are changing the way they shop. But there's another question you need answered. Why are so many people walking away from brand new trucks in the first place? That's exactly what I break down in the video that's on your screen right now. I explain why the new truck market is facing one of its biggest challenges in years, why 12 truck models are being abandoned by consumers in 2026, and how trucks that once had year-long waiting lists are now sitting on dealer lots, gathering dust. If you want to understand the other half of this story before you make your next truck purchase, click that video now. I'll see you there.